Every day, everything we do is built on a foundation of trust, like the sun coming up or access to fresh water. Mythbusters being broadcast in its regular time slot. If any of these checkpoints of trust get betrayed, it can have some pretty big implications, which is why I would like to once again apologize for the tiny mishap which occurred during our trust exercise. And by way of making amends, I'd like to offer you this delicious raspberry bubble tea.
A bubble tea in exchange for a dislocated vertebrae. Sweet deal. It's just water under a duck's back. Come on, Doc.
Come on what?
Let's pick up where you dropped me. Let's climb up onto this camel.
Oh, I don't know if that's... I don't think we should...
You betrayed me. And you need to regain my trust. Or lose it forever.
Oh, okay. But how about we try a modified version? Instead of you falling back and me catching you, or not catching you, how about we use this chair? I'll hold it for you while you sit down into it.
Okay. Are you there, Doc? Because I'm trusting you here.
I'm not going anywhere. Let's do this on 3.
On 3, you say?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! We did it, you rock-solid son of a bunch!
Yeah, I tell you, I couldn't help but feeling.
That something was going to go wrong there.
Exactly.
Oh, to trust. Are you trying to kill me with this?
Just, you sucked the bubble down the wrong pipe.
We're back to square one.